Mark, help me out of here. Help me out, I can't get out.
I think you're about the biggest guy I ever had in here.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, it will, but usually on the track where there's rubber down and then the compound, and it'll stay hooked up most of the time. Right. Yeah, this thing do burnout going 100 miles an hour. I can tell. Like it did back there. Just keeps pulling. Yeah, I've driven it in, given it in some, parades, scooped the lube, drive it to the car show. I'm not going to stop, because if we stop, I mean, it'll just spin.
Right.
So. Actually, it's just going to spin anyway.
Shit. That's insane. You're not hooking near like you were at the track.
No. No, it won't.
Try to tear your head off of the track. Does it feel that loose when you're going down the track?
No. No, if it gets loose like that when I'm going down the track, I'll get out of it.
Really not that loud in here.
No, it's not too bad.
That is awesome. Wow. Oh, that makes my eyes water. Wow.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Get on the other side of the bridge here, and then I'll slow down a little bit, put it in second gear, and then we'll kind of turn it loose, and then you can see what it'll do.
Okay.
Just so you're ready for it. It's kind of a shock. At least it can be. Yeah, that was kind of your dad's reaction to it. you like it.